Hello everyone, I am Dr. Swarna Latha, working as assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science Engineering. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about the binary number system, and today we will discuss about the octal number system. Now, what is octal number system? So, the octal number system is a type of number system that has a base of 8 and it is using the numbers from 0 to 7. It is the digits from 0 to 7. So, octal is nothing but 8. So, the base of the octal number system is nothing but 8. And since the base is 8, totally it uses 8 digits. Totally it uses 8 digits. They are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, by using these 8 digits only, you can represent any number in the octal number system. For example, you are having the number 157. So, this has been represented in the octal number system. And if you want to represent the same number in a decimal number, how do you convert? There is nothing but the LSB bit here is nothing but 7. So 7 into 8 power 0 plus 5 into 8 power 1 plus 1 into 8 square and equals to what? 111. This is the number in the octal number system and this is the number in the decimal number system. So now what the numbers having in the octal number system? For example, if you take the decimal number system and octal number system. So for 0, octal also 0, 1, octal also 1, and 2 in the decimal, octal also 2 only, 3 in the octal also 3, then the number in the 4 in the decimal is nothing but in the octal also 4 only. So next 5, octal also 5, and 6, octal also 6, 7, octal also 7, and the number in the decimal number system 8, that is equivalent to in the octal number system that nothing but what? 1, 0, because so 8 divided by 8. So then how do you get here? 8 ones are 8 and the remainder is 0. Therefore, what is the number here? 1, 0. Similarly, the number 9 in the decimal number system is nothing but 1, 1 in the octal number system. And the number 10 in the decimal number system, that is nothing but 12 in the octal number system. And the number 11 in the decimal system, that is nothing but 13 in the octal number system. Like that, the numbers in the any number in the octal number system, for example, you take 0, 1, 2, 3, 7, or if you take 10, if you take the number 8, the number 8 in the octal number system represented by 1, 0, and the number 9 in the octal number system represented by 11. Therefore, if you take any digit, any number, then it is represented only from the digits 0 to 7 only. So that is nothing but what? Octal number system. Now, like we perform the arithmetic operations in the decimal numbers, in the same way you can perform the operations on the octal number system also. Therefore, in the decimal number system, the operations can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And similarly, the same type of operations can perform the octal number system also. Therefore, we can perform 4 basic arithmetic operations on the octal number system. They are octal addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now, what is octal addition? So, how do you add the numbers in the decimal number system? For example, if you want to add the numbers like 1, 7 and 1, 2, then how do you add here? Add the two. First you take from the left LSB side, then you go to the MSB side. So therefore add these two numbers. Then what is output here? You're getting 7 plus 2 is equals to 9. Then what is 1 plus 1 equals to 2? Here you don't get any carry. Similarly, if you want to add 17 plus 13, then what is 7 plus 3 equals to 10? Then here you have to take the carry. Then 1, 1, 2, 3. So this is nothing but this is the addition that you usually perform in the decimal number system. Similarly, you can perform the addition operation on the octal numbers also. For example, if you want the numbers 3, 1, 5, this is what? Octal number base is nothing but here 8. Therefore, the number 315 in the octal number system and the number 222 in the octal number system, you want to add these two. Then how can you add here? What is 2 plus 2 is equals to 4? and 1 plus 2 equals to 3 and 3 plus 2 equals to 5. Here we don't have any carry. So if you don't have any carry, this is same as what? The decimal addition only. And what is the answer? If you add these two numbers in the octal number system, then the output is 534. So this is a answer you are going to get when you add these two numbers 315 and 222 in the octal number system, and this is the result you are going to get. And similarly, we will take one more example where it takes a addition. In the addition, it takes a carry. Now, if you want to add 372 plus 716. Now add these two. What is 2 plus 6 equals to 8? But we have seen in the decimal number system and octal number system the numbers. So what is 8 here? 8 is nothing but this is a decimal number system. The decimal 8 in the octal, what is that number is equals to 10. Therefore, here when you are adding this 2 plus 6, you are getting 8. So 8 in the octal number system, that is nothing but what? 10. Therefore, here 0 and here the carry is 1. Then 7 plus 1 equals to 8 and 8 plus 1 equals to 9. Now, what is 9 in the octal number system? This is a decimal number system and this is a octal number system. So, the number 9 in the octal number nothing but here 11. Therefore, here 1 and here the carry is 1. Then 3 plus 1 equals to 4 and 4 plus 7 equals to 11. So, what is 10? Nothing but 1, 2. And what is 11? 30. Therefore, the number 11 in the octal number system, equivalent number in the octal number system equals to 13. Therefore, 1310. So, like that, you can perform the operations on the other octal numbers also like to perform the operations on the addition. But the difference is, in the decimal, 8 is nothing but, in the decimal, the number 8 is nothing but here 8 only. Whereas in the octal, the same 8 equivalent the octal number nothing but 10. And 9 is a decimal number, the same number in the octal decimal number, octal number system nothing but 11. So, like that you have to perform the operations. This is one way of performing. And the other way of performing is that you can convert this octal to binary and perform binary operations and then convert binary to the result convert into octal. This is one way of doing. Or else you can convert, so this 372 into decimal number system and the number 76 into decimal number system, then perform the normal decimal operation, again convert back the result into octal number system. So these are the different ways you can perform the operations on the octal numbers. And next operation is nothing but octal subtraction. So what is subtraction? How do you subtract? If you want to subtract the number y from the number x, then how do you do here? So x minus of y. And here the numbers x and y both are represented in which binary number system? The octal binary number system. Now, for example, the digit x is smaller than the y. Then what you have to do? You have to get a borrow from the next iteration as to perform the subtraction operation in the decimal number system. Now, let us take one example here. What is the example here? Subtract 213. So, which is represented in which number system here? Octal number system from the number 325 in the octal number system. So, from where you have to subtract here? 325. And what number you have to subtract? 213. Then here 5 minus 3 is equals to 2 and 2 minus 1 equals to 1. 3 minus 2 equals to 1. So, therefore, this is the answer you get after perform the subtraction in the octal number system. Since here we don't require any borrow, therefore, if you don't require any borrow, then the subtraction in the binary, so in the decimal is equals to the subtraction in the octal number system only, if you don't get any borrow. Now, let us take one more example where you require, you have to take the borrow from the previous digit, next higher order digit. Now, you want to subtract the number 317, 125 and you want to subtract. So, you want to subtract this 125 from this number 317 and these both are represented in which binary system here, which number system? The octal binary, the octal number system. Now, What is 7 minus 5 is equals to here 2. So since the number is greater, there is no problem here. You don't require to get any borrow. And here 1 minus 2. So 1 is less than 2. Then what you have to do, you have to get the borrow from here. So then if you get the borrow, then what you are going to get here? You are going to get here 1, 1. Then what is 11 minus 2? Here in the decimal, and if you go for octal, and what is 8 in the octal, nothing but 10. And what is 9 in the octal, nothing but here 11. Therefore what is here 11. So but in the decimal, what is 11, nothing but 9. So then what is 9 minus 2 value equals to 7. 9 minus 2 equals to 7. And here what is the number you got after getting the borrow? Here you got 2. Then what is 2 minus 1 equals to 1. So like that, if you want to get the borrow, then what you have to do, if the number, if any digit is less than the digit in the down, then you have to get the borrow from the next digit in that number. After getting that, then what you have to do is, for example here 11. So 1 plus 10 number here 11. So what is 11 in the decimal? Nothing but 9. Then what is 9 minus 2 is equals to 7. Like that you have to perform the subtraction operation. And similarly you can perform the multiplication operation and the octal numbers also. So this is same as how you are performing the multiplication operation in the decimal number system. So how do you perform here? For example, if you want to multiply the number 375 with the number 5, then how can you perform here? 375 into 5. So first you'll take in decimal. So 375 into 5 is you want to multiply. Then you are going to see the answer. So in decimal, what is 5 into 5? Nothing but 25. But what is 25 in the octal number system? Because you know that 8 is nothing but 10 in the decimal, 8. In the octal, what is that number equals to 10. And the decimal 9. In the octal, what is equal number equals to 11. In the decimal 10, what is that equal number in the octal? Nothing but 12. And if the number is 11, then the corresponding number in the octal number system nothing but 13. So how do you keep here? For example, if you want 10 here, and this number 10 is what? Decimal number system, and you want to convert into a octal number system. How do you get this 1, 2? 1, 2, nothing but divide this 10 by 8. So 8 ones are 8, and what is the remainder he got here? 2. Therefore next 8 zeros are 0, the remainder is what? 1. Therefore 1, 2. So like that you can convert any decimal number into octal number system. Similarly, you want to convert this 25 into octal number system. Then how do you convert here? So here 8 3s are 24, and what is here the quotient is 3 and the remainder is nothing but 1. And 8 zeros are 0 and the remainder nothing but 3. Therefore 25 in the decimal number system is equivalent to 31 in the octal number system. Therefore here what you got here? 5 into 5 equals to 25. But what is the 25 in the octal number system? 31. Therefore write down here 1 and here 3. Then 5 sevens are 35 plus 3. Nothing but what? 33. Therefore what is 33? That is nothing but here 7 plus 3. So 5 sevens are 35 plus 3 is equals to what? 38. Now represent 38 in the octal number system. So 8 4s are 32. Then what is remaining here? 6. And 8 zeros are 0 and the remainder nothing but 4. Therefore 46. Therefore the number 38 in the octal number system is nothing but what here? 46. Therefore you got here 35 plus 8, 38. 38 nothing but what in the octal number system? Nothing but 46. Therefore here 6 and here the carry is 4. Then here 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 4 equals to 19. Therefore what is 19 in the octal number system? Then it equals to 8 2s are 16 and the remainder is 3. Therefore 2 and 8 zeros are 0 and the remainder nothing but 3. 2. Therefore what is 19 in the decimal? Nothing but the number 23 in the octal. Therefore, here the answer is nothing but 2361, and this is the answer which you will get in the octal number system. Like that, you can perform the multiplication operation. And similarly, you want to perform the multiplication operation of 624 with 25. Then how do you perform here? 624 into 25. So this also like you perform in the decimal number system. The same way you can perform the multiplication operation on the octal numbers also. Then here what is 5 fours are 20. So 20 is nothing but in 20 is in decimal you got, because normal decimal operation are performing, but you want to convert into where? Octal, because they are given the octal number system. Therefore, if you want to convert this 20, this is the decimal number system, this is the octal number system, this is base 10, this is nothing but base 8. Now, which number you want to convert? 20. Therefore, the 20 number in the octal number, nothing but how do you get here? Divide that number by 8. So, 8 2s are 16 and the remainder is 4. And here 8 zeros are 0 and the remainder is 4, 24. Therefore, the number 20 in the decimal number system, there is nothing but what? 24 in the octal number system. So here what I get here? 4. And what is the carry you got here? 2. Next, 5 2s are 10. So 10 plus 2 is equals to what? 12. So what is 12 in the octal number system? So they again perform the same way. 8 1s are 8 and the remainder is 4. And 8 zeros are 0, the remainder is 1. So 114. Therefore, the number 12 in the decimal number is equivalent to what? 14 in the octal number system. So here what you got? 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12. So 12 is nothing but here 4 and here 1 is the carry. Then 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 1 nothing but 31. Now this is the way you are performing the operation in the decimal. Now you are converting to octal. So 8 3s are 24 and here the remainder is 7. And 8 zeros are 0 and the remainder is 3. Therefore, the number 31 in the decimal number system is equals to 37 in the octal number system. Therefore, here what I get here? 7 and 3. Next, 2 4s are 8. 8 is nothing but what here? 8 is in the decimal number system. And you want that number in the octal number system. Then divide by 8. Then what is answer here? Got 1 0. Therefore, 2 4s are 8. 8 is nothing but here what? 0. And carries 1 here. Then 2 2s are 4 plus 1. 5. There is no problem. Then 2 6 are 12. Then what is 12 in the octal numbers? Nothing but 1 here. 1 4. Then what are you going to get here? 4 4. And here 7 plus 5 is equals to 12. So 12 is nothing but here what? 1 4. So 4 1. And 4 plus 4 equals to 8. What is 8 in the octal number system? 1 0. So 0 1. Then what is 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Therefore, like that you can perform the multiplication operation on the octal numbers also. And the next type of operation is what? Division operation. So the division operation also, like you perform the division operation on the decimal numbers, similarly you can perform the same way on the octal numbers also. First, what you have to do here? You have to start the division. For example, if you want to divide 884 by 2, then what are you going to do? You start from here, then 2 4s are 8. So 2 4s are 8. And here subtraction you have to do, then 0. Then bring this number here, then 2 2s are 4. Then perform subtraction. Then here the quotient is 42 and the remainder is what? 0. So the same way how you perform the division operation on the decimal number system, you can perform the operation on the octal number system also. So for example, you want to divide the number 1275 by 3. Then how do you perform here? So 1275 divided by 3 you want to perform. So then how to perform this division? So 1275 3 you want to divide. Then here Here, what is the number you got? 1. So, 1 is less than 3. Therefore, you can't go here. Then, you have to take the next digit also, 12. Now, in the decimal, octal. So, in the decimal, what is 8 equals to? In the decimal, it is 8. And what is that number in the octal? 10. And 9 is nothing but here in the octal, 11. And 10 is nothing but what here? 12. And 11 is nothing but here? 13. And 12 is nothing but what? 14 and so on. So here what you got here? 12. So 12 is nothing but, when do you get here? 12 is nothing but, in the decimal it is what? 10. So when do you get this 10? So 3 3s are. So what is 3 3s are here? 9. So then what are you going to get here? So 9 is nothing but here 11. Here 3 into 3 equals to 9. But the same number 9 in the octal is nothing but 11. So 11, then what I got here? 1. After that, bring this 7 here. 17 you got here. Then which table you are going to get here? So 3 5s are 15. So 13 nothing but what here? 15. And similarly, 14 in decimal nothing but here? 16. And 15 in decimal nothing but in the decimal it is 15, the octal nothing but what here? 17. And what do you want the number here? 17. So when do you get the 17 actually? So you are going to get the number 17. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. So 3 5s are 15. You can take this number because so 3 5s are 15. Then same number in the octal nothing but here. How many times are you going to get? 5 times are you going to get. So 17. So 3 5s are 15. 15 nothing but here 17. So 17, 0. And this digit here. Then 5. So 5 nothing but here. This is less than 8. Normally can perform. So 3 1s are 3. And here the quotient is nothing but here. The remainder nothing but here 2. Therefore, what is the quotient you are going to get? 351 in the octal. And the remainder equals to here 2. So like that you can perform the operations on the octal numbers. Also you can perform the operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division operations. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.